Hello, my name is Renlee, and I am a student here at Data in the Ed White program. And today I'll be showing you how to do these 3D models on Adobe Illustrator. You can do this on 2024, but it's also okay for you to do it on 2025. You're gonna go ahead and click on New Project, then go ahead and press on Web Large, press on Create, and it'll bring you to this right here. Now you can ideally do text, you can do like make your own star, but today I will be doing like a little emoji. And so first, if you want to have the same exact results, or not maybe the same, but similar results to me, go ahead and do what I am doing. I'm gonna make a big circle in the middle, then you will be coloring it to whatever color you want your emoji to be if you are following along with me. After you do this, it's actually really easy for you to just get into Adobe Illustrator and just knock it out of the park, because it's like after you do it once, you have it down. I will be using stars as eyes, but you can do whatever you want. It's a solid color, and I will be doing red. Like I said, you can do whatever type of emoji face you want, but if you want somewhat similar as me, then go ahead and do what I am doing. After that, you will go to Eclipse tool. This is going to be for the mouth. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. For the mouth, you want to make it a little darker than the eyes. And after you have your emoji, if you're not done, then go ahead and pause the video for you to catch up. But once you're done, you're going to go to Rectangle tool. You're going to go to Intersect, and then going to cover the whole page. Gonna go ahead. This is gonna be your background, so make it whatever color you want. If you want to make it light, you want to make it dark, just ideally whatever color. But always make sure that you move your background to the back. Now, if you want to make any adjustments to your emoji, then go ahead and do it. But once you are done, you are ready for this step. You're gonna select all of it, and then make sure that all of it is selected. You're gonna press Control G, which will group all of it. You know it is grouped whenever it says ungroup right here. After that, you're gonna go to Effects right up here. Gonna go to 3D and Materials. Then you're gonna press Inflate, which will inflate your 3D model or emoji. Now you want to add some depth to it. I mostly put it up to somewhere right here, 1018. Then you're going to go to Materials. Make sure that it is on the default and not any of these. Then you're going to go to Roughness 0. If you want the same, again, if you want the same exact, almost similar, results, if you want similar results to me, then you're going to go ahead and put the roughness as 0.15. Then you're going to go down to metallic and put 0.22. That will create like a little bit of a shine here and there. Then you're going to go to lighting. You're going to make the intensity You can do either 90 or 80, but I will be doing 90. You're gonna keep all of this the same unless you want to rotate where the shadow is, but in a bit you won't really see it. Then you're gonna go to intensity right here, change it from 50 to 62. Then you're gonna come all the way up here and click on this little icon, which will render it into this, or somewhat similar. It really reflects the colors and just makes it ideally way better, and it's a really beautiful detail, and that is how you create 3D models using Adobe Illustrator.